This is the easiest AI business you can start in 2026. No automations, no coding, no building complex agents that break every other week, just a simple model that works. And the best part, almost nobody is talking about it yet, which means the window is wide open for you right now. In this video, I will show you exactly what this business model is, how it works in 4 simple steps, and why it pays more than selling automations ever will. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm giving you the full plan of action to start today. It's a free Notion document showing exactly what to offer, how to price it, and how to land your first client in 7 days. So here's what I keep seeing. Someone decides they want to start an AI business, and the first thing they do is usually jump straight into automations. And it actually makes sense. Everyone on YouTube is telling you to build AI agents, sell automation workflows, learn NA10 or Zapier. So you try it, you spend weeks watching tutorials, stitching together tools, testing workflows that break every time something changes. And even if you do get something working, you realize you have no idea how to sell it. You can't really explain the value to a business owner who doesn't care about the tech. You're stuck charging $500 for an agent nobody really asked for. Meanwhile, you see other people online claiming they're making $10,000 a month with AI, and you can't figure out what you're doing wrong. But then you hear you need to learn Python, build custom agents, maybe deploy APIs, and suddenly this thing that was supposed to be your path to freedom feels like a second engineering degree. And I know this because I've been there. I spent months going down the automation rabbit hole, watching tutorial after tutorial, trying to piece together something I could actually sell to a business owner. And the worst part, even when I finally got something working, the client would change one thing in their process and the entire workflow would break. And then I would be back fixing things on the weekends, wondering why I ever started this in the first place. The real problem isn't that you're not smart enough, it's that the model everyone's pushing you toward was never designed to someone starting from scratch. It's a model built for technicians and developers, not for entrepreneurs. Now, there's a different business model that is currently rising. It's called the AI partnership, and it flips the entire approach on its head. Instead of building complex automations and hoping someone will buy them, you focus on understanding businesses and becoming the person they trust to guide their entire AI strategy. I've been building my AI business for over 3 years now. I've tried the AI automation route, I've struggled with selling high-ticket offers, and I've dealt with the headaches of managing complex systems that clients didn't even fully use. This new model changed everything for me, and I'm going to break down exactly how it works so you can start using it this week. The AI partnership model has 4 parts. Each one builds on the last, and none of them require you to write a single line of code. The first part is the AI audit. This is where everything starts. Basically, you sit down with a business owner and you map out how their business actually runs. What tools are they using? Where are they wasting time? What processes are eating up hours every week? Most people skip this step. They show up with a solution before they even understand the problem. And that's exactly why businesses don't trust them. When you lead with an audit, you're not selling anything. You're showing that you actually understand their world. And that alone puts you miles ahead of every freelancer pitching a generic AI agent. Because here's the thing that makes the audit so powerful. Business owners love it because it feels you already working for them before they've even paid you a cent. You're giving them value upfront that builds trust faster than any portfolio or testimonial ever could. And the best part is that once you start getting some experience as an AI partner, the audit is something you can even start charging thousands of dollars for. But as a beginner, doing it for free is the best foot in the door option, something that allows you to start working very easily with clients and then charge them the high ticket price for your next product. After the AI audit comes the roadmap. Once you understand the business, you build a plan. This is a clear, structured document that tells the business owner exactly what AI solution to implement, in what order, and what kind of results to expect. Think of it like a GPS for their AI transformation. You're not guessing here, you're taking what you found in the AI audit and turning it into a step-by-step action plan they can actually follow. This is where business owners start to see you as an expert. Not because you built something flashy, but because you gave them clarity when everyone else was giving them confusion. After the audit and the roadmap, you simply execute the roadmap. That's the implementation step. And here's where the flexibility comes in. You don't have to build everything yourself. Maybe the client needs AI-powered email sequences. Well, you can set that up. Or maybe they need a custom agent, and in that case, you can find a contractor who specializes in that and manage the project. Or build it yourself if you're comfortable doing it. Or maybe they just need their team trained on how to use ChatGPT or Claude for daily workflows, and in that case, you can charge and deliver the training. The point is, you are the strategist. You decide what's get implemented and where, because the results of any AI solution depend far more on where it's placed inside a business than on how complex the tech behind it is. And that's usually the insight most people never get. And finally, you have the partnership fee. This is the engine of the whole model. After the audit, the roadmap, and the implementation, you don't just walk away, you stay on as their AI partner. AI is changing fast, new tool drops every week, new models come out every month. Business owners don't have time to keep up with all of it. And that's where you come in. You keep them updated, you adjust the strategy as things evolve, and you make sure they're always ahead of the curve. This is recurring revenue. One client can pay you month after month because AI isn't a one-time project. It's an ongoing shift in how business operates. And when you stack a few of these partnerships together, the math gets very real very fast. You're not chasing new clients every single month just to survive. You're building a business with actual stability. And here's why I believe this is so strong. I spent a long time trying to make the automation model work. I was building workflows, pitching complex solutions, and struggling to land clients who were willing to pay what the work was actually worth. Selling high tickets felt impossible because clients didn't understand the value of a custom automation. But since I shifted to the AI partnership model, everything changed. People want to work with me more because I'm not just handling them a tool and disappearing. I get paid more because the value I bring is strategic, not just technical. And I don't have to manage complex AI agents that break at 9 p.m. on a Sunday. I provide better results for clients now, not because the solutions are more complex, but because they're implemented in the right place at the right time. That's what businesses are actually paying for. And at that stage of the AI revolution, they don't want a developer. They want a partner who understands their business and can make AI work for them in a way that makes the biggest difference. Now, here's the shift. You don't need to become a technical AI expert to make money with AI. That's the lie the industry keeps pushing. Businesses aren't paying for complexity, they're paying for clarity. They want someone who can walk in, understand their problems, and tell them exactly what to do with AI, then help them do it. If you know what AI solution to implement and where to implement it, you will bring more results to your clients than someone who builds the most technically impressive system in the wrong place. The person who wins in AI isn't the best coder, it's the person who understands business problems deeply enough to know exactly where AI will have the highest impact. That person can start this week with zero technical background, and that person could be you. So let me quickly recap what you need to remember. The AI partnership model has 4 steps. Audit the business, build a roadmap, implement the solutions, and stay on as their AI partner for ongoing support. You don't need to code, you don't need to build complex automations, you just need to understand businesses and know where AI creates the most impact. So I put together a free plan of action for you. It's a blueprint that shows you exactly what to offer, how to price it, and how to land your first client in 7 days. It's available inside the Shift, my free community. The link is in the description. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to grab your free blueprints, and in the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.